Alex Muivah, Member Secretary, Manipur State Legal Service Authority. Ngasigi akoigi sensitization program si constitutional and legal rights of LGBT. LGBT sina L sina lesbian lesbian, G sina gay, B sina bisexual, D sina transgender. Makoigi constitutional aduga legal rights ki matangda akoigi legal aid piba functionaries like panel advocates, legal aid defense councils makoi sida akoina sensitize tawigi program si lokhatpani maruwaina masi si parliament digi aduga akoigi nalsa digi direction laga sumaina lokhatlo supriyo Allies Supriya Chakraborty versus Union of India and the Supreme Court ki judgment da direction pirame. Sumaina mukoi ki discrimination tawuga si miyam si akoi sensitize tawraga handhana ba haina sumaina direction pibigi akoi lokhatpani. Maruwaina akoina masigi Supriyo ki judgment sidi makoi transgender sing sina Supreme Court ta makoi si makoi marry tawbagi rights si recognize tawbiyo haina tharakpa mani madubu Supreme Court na sumaina haye right to choose a partner and right to marry is a two distinct entity. First, right to choose everyone have the right to choose a partner. Any living relationship, every relationship done in public or in private, they cannot be discriminated. They have the legal right to choose their own partner or their sexual orientation. But right to marriage, as per Special Marriage Act, Section 4, and also Section 4 of Foreigners Marriage Act, it happened only between a male and female. A male who is 21 years old and a female 18 years old. Adugi maram waina masigi eksi leri pau. Same-sex marriage sidi yaroi. Adugi they can choose to live in with any as per their sexual orientation, but makoi right to marriage aduga marriage ki benefits sidi pibi yaroi haina masumaina judgment ta apane. But at the same time, makoida discrimination si makhan dum lei haina haye. Besides physical sexual discrimination or violence against them, makoida thabak shuba kumbada makoida thabak lobi daba sumaina transgender were haibigi thabak shuram masu thabak tigi lothokpa promotion pi daba pramanda yum phara gumba pi daba aduga any welfare benefits kumba pidaba asidi yaroi adugi asikumba makoi rights sidi constitutional rights aduga legal rights sidi protect tawpani tawpamthokpani haina Supreme na sumaina direction tarakpani adugi maram waina akoigi legal aid providers sing da ngasi se akoi orientation program sumaina makoina legal aid niba lakakanda makoina phajana prepare tawraka makoigi right to defend tawba yanaba haina koina ngasigi sensitization program si human rights day ga leinana koi sinbani